Hello, guys.
Hello,
Hi,
no one
Gordon.
likes you. Goodbye.
Hi, Gordon and James.
Hello, Henry.
I
mean-
don't like your fat boy.
You sound like the person from Sing 2. I hate that movie. That movie is so bad.
Hello, everyone. I'm back.
What?
You left?
Cheers to the ones that we got.
Cheers to the ones that we've got.
Oh my god.
I have mental issues.
I guessed.
You guys want to hear something that I've been practicing for a very long time?
Of course.
It's just- The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. Is that enough? I think you guys get the picture. What the heck is wrong with your eyes?
Never gonna give you up.
Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you.